Alright everybody, we're right here for episode 4. Got quite a bit done today while the cameraman there was at work. Started and finished ripping down these boards for the flatbed. So what you're seeing here is the bottom side. These were steps, I think I already mentioned that. But this is like the bottom side because of the veneer. I'm going to paint this whole surface black with just some regular old undercoating paint, and here in a minute I'll have it flipped over. Once these frame supports are screwed in, I'll flip it over and you can see the surface work we did on the other side. It looks great, makes the truck look fantastic. So what we're doing right now is I have some 2.5 inch like deck screws, and I'm taking some old 2x4 and screwing it over all of these laps in the boards so it holds it together on the back side. And then these ones are holding this piece that has a different joint. It's a two girls interrupted. Hey, chill girl. So screwing those boards down, screwing this one down here at the end, and that is just to make it one piece and rigid so that I can start making the legs and feet that weld onto the frame. So this is going to be bolt-on removable, so gotta get it solid in one piece to start making the legs to design that. Fucking disgusting. Look at that. Fucking flatbed Ford Ranger. Oh, Lanta. Don't get it twisted though. I had this truck before that was a meme. So, pre-meme guy here.
What are you thinking?
Stay there. Stay there. Look at, what are you thinking? Dog, big dog. Look at this. Flatbed.
Oh my god.
Now these are just some theoretical shit. Made these like 5 or 6 years ago for one of my other projects that I never ended up using them for. And they've just been sitting here.
I think they make that flatbed 50% more cool.
They really, it's something.
Yeah.
I think it'd be cool maybe to run them like off the sides like this, not straight
Yeah.
them down, but then just run a flat pan over them to where you're still getting the wheel protection, but the wheeler can still roll up. Like the front tire runs on that, it's not gonna like fall off. The big premise of me building this flatbed is to put that big race bike on that I just bought, so it won't fit in the stock bed. You know, it's just too fat. She's too thick. So this is 55 inches wide and 76 inches long. So it's, I believe, around 30, or no, I don't even know what the square foot is. It's real small. It's real small bed, but it's gonna do its job.
There she is.
Still gotta make the legs and the brackets and everything to connect it to the frame. But just with 2x4s, we've got it sitting level. Almost, I could probably stand on that. I don't wanna damage anything.
Yeah, you do.
Ooh.
Made me jump.
Flatbed Ford Ranger. And the motor and trans is in this right now. That's how light it is. Oh yeah. Wait till you see this thing going through the whoops.
Straight into that right there, right there. Straight through your neck, bro. Straight through your neck. What do you think, dude? I think it's pretty cool.
She's saying, bolt the dog box to that son of a bitch so I can go for a ride. So, everything just goes to plan around here sometimes. So this is the fuel cell. It'll sit right up against the firewall, so even more so, like this.
Firewall, he means rear
Yeah.
rear body.
And that's perfect, you know, ordered that fuel cell just to fit in between my quad tires. And then if you come around back here, the back tires are just barely hanging off. But
I mean, they have contact.
oh yeah, if I strap it down, it's not going nowhere. That's going on the back of the Ranger. Right there, brother.
Wow.
Yo.
Like it was meant to be. I mean, throw some straps on that now. You could ship that to China.
Seriously, like box up the outside. Let's see, ready? Yeah. Just how it should work right there. Maybe even put a little dump mechanism on it.
A hydraulic lift with some ramps.
And just let them slide right out the back of the bed and just auto connect to the ground.
There's your flatbed for you, folks. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this crazy ass build with all your friends and all your good buddies.
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you in episode 5.